Hello, I'm Pinky Kaur and welcome to my channel. Last time when I put up a video on healthy platter, I got lots of calls, people asking me to put up more options of healthy platters, more options of how they can cook oil free. So I thought today I was making rajma. So I thought okay, rajma is a very popular North Indian dish which is there in every household. Mostly they make one, एक हफ्ते में एक बार तो बन ही जाता है. And it is everybody loves it, all age people love it. It's a comfort food, you know. I mean, I know बचपन से हम खाते आ रहे हैं. So I thought let me, since I was making rajma today, I said let me share my version of making it, how I make it with zero oil and how I cook it lightly, and how can we can make a nice healthy platter with rajma. So फिर चले kitchen में.
Okay, so I have some rajma here which I have soaked overnight and I have changed the water just now. So I will put this in my pan for boiling. I'll add some more water. We'll just plain boil it with a few masalas. आप इसे कुकर में बॉईल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ध्यान रखें कुकर जो आपका हो वो स्टेनलेस स्टील का कुकर हो, एल्यूमिनियम के कुकर में ना यूज़ करें. सो आई पुट सम सॉल्ट, नमक डाल देती हूँ. जस्ट पुट सम सॉल्ट, सम टर्मरिक, हल्दी एंड थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची. बस यही डाल के हम इसको उबालेंगे. ये मेरे पास ये जर्मन ब्रांड के AMC स्टेनलेस स्टील है जो कुकर की तरह काम करता है. तो आई मेक इट इन दिस. आप नॉर्मल कुकर में इसको उबाल सकते हैं, इसको 15-20 मिनट लगेंगे. सो मैं गैस ऑन कर देती हूँ. ओके, जब तक ये राजमा उबल रहा है हम इसका मसाला तैयार कर लेते हैं. सो विल जस्ट फ्राई दी अनियंस. ओके, so here I have about 4 onions जिसको मैंने कद्दूकस कर लिया. I've grated it very fine and this is my cast iron कढ़ाई. So I will just put this in this and I will just fry the onions till they are dark brown, till they get nicely fried. On that vessel I have kept some water to boil in case I need more water once the rajma is cooked. So we'll just fry the onions. We are sauteing the onions, basically frying them to make them brown. I'm using the word fry, but this is frying with no oil. We are not using any oil because it's not good to use any refined oil. This is what I realized, that we don't need oil. Our body needs good fat. We don't need refined oils because they really trouble us. See, the onions are getting nicely sauteed. हमने इसके we grated the onions very fine, कद्दूकस किया है because we wanted for the masala for the rajma. That's why we have not cut it into cubes or cut them lengthwise. So it is easier जब ये भून जाएगा ना, it will be very easy to mix it in the rajma. That is why I have, you can see it, as I have grated it fine. You can also use a blender to do it. Onion leaves its own water. It is very easy to make onions brown with zero oil. It is only our myth that we need oil to fry the onions. We really don't need them. And we know how risky and how unhealthy it is to use refined oils. See, now all the water has dried up and the onion has started changing its color. So we'll just continue to keep frying it like this and keep stirring occasionally so that it gets the heat of the kadai. See, the onions started getting brown. So now I will add the ginger garlic paste. So, and again I will saute this for some time. Okay, now the ginger garlic is also fry it nicely with the onions. So I will add the tomato puree. So I took basically about the rajma was around 200 grams. So I took around 3 big onions and 3 tomatoes which I pureed. I'm switching off the rajma because the rajma is done. I'm switching off this water also which is boiled. Just boil some water just in case we need for the rajma. It's always better to put warm water. There is some onion piece here. So we won't cook it for very long now, because once you add tomatoes, it is good not to cook for very long, because tomato being a fruit, it's a fruit vegetable, right? So we don't cook it too much, because when you cook tomatoes too much, they get very acidic. So it is good to cook tomatoes last and to cook them for a little time, so that we don't turn them acidic. I'll add some masala in this also now, because we have not added, right? So we'll add little salt. Won't add much salt because rajma mein bhi namak hai. We'll add little haldi. We'll add little Kashmiri mirchi powder, and we'll also add some garam masala. You can use any homemade masala or whichever brand you buy, it doesn't matter. You can use any masala. So we'll just mix this nicely, and then our masala is done. And then we'll switch off the gas once it is mixed, because for some time it will also cook in the rajma. So I don't want to cook the tomatoes too much. Keep it as light as we can. So see how well the masala has been roasted without a drop of oil. We need to break these myths about oil, and we need to unlearn a lot of things. Okay, so I'm putting off this gas because the masala is done. I'll just open and check whether the rajma is done. Okay. So we'll add the masala. You can always keep this masala I'm just adding the masala. We don't need more water because we already have enough water, so we're not adding any more water to this. See, the gravy is getting thicker now, and you can see the rajma also is well cooked. It's very well cooked. Before I plate this, I'll just check whether the salt is okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so I will just, before I plate this, I will just add lots of coriander leaves. I love coriander, love greens. So I'm going to add lots of them, and then we are ready to plate our rajma. Not a drop of oil. Did we need it? No. Okay. So we've got the rajma ready. See, when I started going, when I came into the pattern of healthy eating, I started weaning away things which I know I should not be eating. Like first I started with dairy,
then I started with oil, and then I realized if I have to stop eating something, I have to stop buying it. Because if I buy it, then घर पे अगर oil है ना तो थोड़ा use कर लें, it always happens. So if we have to stop eating something, stop buying it. So when I stopped buying oil, I knew I had no choice. I had to, खाना तो बनाना ही था ना. I knew I had to learn new ways to make things, change my cooking patterns, how to make things, the same things, tasty also and variety also without oil. And as I, over the years, I have learned. So I will share this with all my viewers in my coming videos too. So if you like to see more videos like this where I make lunch platters or dinner platters, meal platters basically, then you must click the subscribe button and the bell next to the button so you get notifications, and then you'll be able to see my further videos. So now let me show you my platter. So here I have a healthy platter. So I have my rajma. Okay. Now rajma can be eaten with chapatis. It goes best with rice. So here I have taken millets because I'm not very much of a rice or a wheat eater. So of course there is no wheat in my house because wheat is gluten and we don't need to eat wheat at all. So but rice is okay once in a way. Brown rice is good. So but I made millets. I have taken brown top millet today. You can take any millet. You can take barnyard, you can take kodo, you can take little, you can take foxtail. I have taken brown top today because I love the taste, and brown top is very nutritious. You cook brown top just the way you cook rice. There is no difference at all. But the only difference is you must soak the millets for at least 4 hours. Rice you can soak for 1 or 2 hours is fine. So here I have my platter. So before we are eating the millet and the rajma, I have made this salad platter. As we know, we are not eating anything cooked unless we are eating raw, because raw is the right nourishment for our body, the right environment. So before we eat this, we should first eat this. So here I have greens, I have a rainbow, I have tomatoes which is red, I have my lettuce which is green, and some iceberg. I have green capsicum, I have purple cabbage, I have some zucchini which I have spiral, and I have this atom bomb which is a green chutney. So this is, everything is raw here. It's very important to have a raw meal before a cooked meal. That is why I will first finish this. We should first eat our salad and then we can enjoy our rajma and our millets. Okay. Now if you think मैं सिर्फ यही खाऊंगी, I will only eat this, I will not eat this, not allowed. Not allowed. At least in my house there is a rule. Unless you eat raw, you cannot eat cooked. You have to eat raw first. And if you think, okay, I will eat only this and I will not eat the rajma and millet, perfect. Absolutely no problem. But you can't do the other way around. So first eat raw. So you make your cooked meal. I'm not saying don't eat cooked meal at all. Make some nice cooked meal, but make it in a healthy way. Use the right cookware. Don't use aluminium. Don't use non-stick. Use stainless steel or use clay or use cast iron like I have used. You know, cook it lightly. So try and cook it separately so that in the mixing becomes easier. You're not cooking one thing too much. Try and use less of pressure cooker, but make a nice salad platter. You can take anything. I have taken this today. Maybe in the next video I will show you some other options. But it is always important to have raw meal before cooked meal. So I'm going now to enjoy my my lunch, and I hope you enjoy your lunch too. And next time when you make rajma, try and make it this way and introduce lots of salad in your meals. So I'll see you around guys in my next video. Stay safe.